is like that. The denominator, here you can see, the denominator of a fraction is greater than its numerator by 11, right? Now we need to find the fraction, and it's also given that if 8 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes 3 by 4, right? So students, do one thing. Let us assume the fraction. Since we need to find the fraction, you can just see this line. We need to find the fraction. So just to find the fraction, why don't you assume the fraction as x by y, right? Where x is the numerator and y is the denominator, right? Now you can just read the question again. The denominator of a fraction is greater than its numerator. That means y is greater than x by how much? 11, right? Then we can say that to equate y and x, which one is greater? Tell me, which one is greater, y or x? Denominator of a fraction is greater, right? That means y is greater. Since y is greater, that means to equate with it with x, how much need to be added with x? This much, this 11. So x plus 11 is equal to y, right? So as per the question, the first part is, the first equation is concluded, y equal to x plus 11, right? Let's say this is equation number 1, right? Now see the second part. If 8 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes 3 by 4, right? So the fraction was x by y, right? Now in the second part it mentioned that if 8 is added to both its numerator and denominator, so numerator was x, denominator was y, right here. So if 8 is added into the numerator and same 8 is added into the denominator, the fraction becomes how much? It becomes 3 by 4, right? Just equate it with 3 by 4, right? Now simply solve it, cross multiply. This will be 4 times x plus 8 is equal to 3 times y plus 8. This will give you what? This will give you 4x plus 32 is equal to 3y plus 24. Now since y is equal to x plus 11, why don't you put this value over here in place of y? So it will be 4 times x plus 32 is equal to 3 times the value of y, that is x plus 11, from equation number 1. Just put it over here. 3 times y, that is x plus 11. I'm just changing the color of the pen so that it will be easily readable and visible to you. Plus 24, right? So this will give you 4x plus 32 is equal to how much? 3x plus 33 plus 24, isn't it? Now when 3x will go into the LHS, it will be 4x minus 3x is equal to this 32 going into the RHS. 33 minus 32 will be 1, and 1 plus 24 is 25. So the value of x is calculated and the value of x is 25. So that means the numerator is calculated as 25, right? X equal to 25 is equal to your numerator of that fraction. Now, from equation number 1, y can be written as x plus 11, that is 25 plus 11, which will give you 36. So, denominator is equal to y is equal to how much? 36. So in this way, denominator is also calculated, that is 36, that is 36, and here we can write denominator as 36. So what is the fraction? 25 by 36, because x is 25 and y is calculated as 36, and here in this way we have solved this question, and the answer is 25 by 36, right? If you find it useful, you can just like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, students. For any query, just put up into the comment box. I love to connect with you. Bye bye, take care, see you.